Yesterday I was at the secondhand store, picked up this stainless double sink for $10. I was hoping I could find one with just a wide open sink, but I think this will work. This will be our new plasma cutter table. I'm going to put drains in the bottom of each, be able to fill this up with a few inches of water. I'm going to build a rail system across the top and be able to do some plasma cutting right here. Sparks go into the water. It'll work out well. Not sure what we're going to do with the center here. We may just make like a little angle piece, triangle, just to deflect as we come across that area. If we do come across that area, the sparks will deflect off of that, hopefully down into the pan. Yeah, it'll be a fun little project. Okay, I'm gonna knock these rivets out, get this wheel off, and then take this rivet out, get that piece. So far so good. I've got it set at 40 on the air pressure and 30 on the air pressure. More parts. Just finished up our plasma table, at least one side. Got this old Metro cart we modified. And I've got to put a drain in there. Yeah, we'll fill this up with water a little bit, maybe 4 or 5 inches. Close the cover down. Do my plasma cutting. All the sparks will hit the water. And a little hinge there makes it easy to lift it and clean her out. We'll probably do the same on this side. We'll make another side to it so we can do some longer cuts. But for now, this is it. Because we need one more slat in here. But I did set these up so these slats can be replaced. Tack welded them. So it's an easy grind. Pull them out. That's today's project. Well, the table's ready to try. Got some drains in there. This is for garbage disposal, and it leaks. So we'll have to change that out. Yesterday I was at a second-hand store and I picked up this drain and this one. Wish I had 2 of those. We'll find another one. I think I paid $2 for that one and $1 for this one. This one's sealed up tight, not leaking. So we are going to, on both sides, cutting some metal and see if the water actually captures the sparks. Okay, we're going to try some stainless steel. This is about probably 1/16 of an inch. Probably too easy to cut. When I'm shopping at secondhand stores, I'm always looking for chunks of stainless. And, this little piece was $1. So we'll cut off some strips and see how she works. This side here. Best on this. Aluminum bar is our straight edge. I was doing some angle cuts the other day, so I removed the metal around the edge. Now I've got one tip with and one without, because I want to stand up and I want the tip to touch the stainless. I'm going to replace it with this tip. Fairly clean cut, but a lot of dross on the ends. So we're going to try, I think the amperage is plenty high enough. What I'm going to try is bringing the air pressure up. Leave the amperage alone and see what that does. Okay, we brought the air pressure up to 45. The table's doing great. There's sparks flying around the room. They're all going into water. Okay, that one we had the travel speed up quite a bit. And it definitely gave us a terrible cut. It was me shaking on it because of the way I was traveling, or just the way the arc was bouncing around. I'm going to do a little freehand on it. See what it does. Try to make a nice little hole in it. Let's get up. Alright. A little booty doo. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna buff this up and see what it looks like. Looks like a seahorse. This is a colander of sorts, or a pan. So that will work. This is coming in about 70,000, so pretty much the same price as that tray. Alrighty. Let's see what she'll do. I think she'll track okay. Let's see. Without a ground. That's interesting. And you can see all the crud, metal and such captured in the water. And just by watching the video, there were very few sparks kicking around. So this will be nice operating in the garage, especially in a garage with a wooden floor.